I'm going to build a real AI-powered web app completely from scratch using nothing but Claude Code and deploy it to Replit. And I'm doing the whole thing under 30 minutes, and you could too. No copy paste, I describe what I want, Claude Code builds it. Let's go. As you can see, the terminal's on. We're gonna start with creating the folder. And then we're gonna tell Claude to launch Claude up. Yes. Let's go. Now I'm gonna place in my prompt for the client proposal generator. There it goes. Yes. Yes. When you get comfortable, you can say yes, always allow on edits, but I like to just say yes every single time. Either or, but yeah. So this can be hosted on HTTP localhost 3000. We're gonna do that in a minute. But first, you want to get our API key and deploy that. Which I have ready to go over here. And the .env file. I already had an API key ready, but you can get your API keys from I think it's Anthropic's. Yeah, Anthropic's site for API keys. But I'm gonna post my API key over here. So it's locally hosted here. Just copy this link. There we go. As you can see, we got it locally hosted. Now I'm gonna do a test run over here before we even deploy it to GitHub and to Replit. So we're gonna make a website. $3,000 to $5,000. What kind of type? We could build a mobile app automation just from the application we just built. 2 weeks. And the description. Generate proposal. Let's see. It's crafting. Love it when it all works out. Look at that. Look at that. Ready to go. See how it looks. This is how many days the phases is gonna take. It's gonna be faster than this, but how much they have to pay. So they just submitted everything to us for us to build and ready to go. Make a few more adjustments. And VS Code. Let's press this prompt. Does eat up a lot of tokens, but not crazy for the amount of work it's doing. And I love the VS Studio Code and Claude Code terminal. It's amazing. The CLI does the job really well too, but this does it really, really well. Now let's refresh it one more time. Let's see how it is. Let's do another test run. Golden Gate Restaurant. Type, website, select the range 3 to 5,000, timeline 2 weeks, a modern. While this doing it, I'm gonna put this so we get it ready for Replit. Cool. Same thing we kind of saw, but with all of it, all the phases, price cost, next steps. Generate another proposal. Now let's get our Git ready to transfer it to Git. We're going to do it to Git and then transfer and deploy it to Replit. GitHub is very important, especially building your application and everything. It's the backbone of a lot of things and saving your work. Okay. Before we do that, I'm gonna there we go. I can manually do it, but this is better. Ready to port to Replit from there. Perfect. Now we're gonna bring up Replit. We're gonna click inputs from GitHub. Yes. We just created the GitHub URL, so just put it in there. Now the magic. I go to Replit, import from GitHub, paste the repo, and Replit pulls in everything Claude Code built. I'm also gonna add the API key. So Replit is working now. secrets. I'm gonna put my new secret. Key is gonna be Anthropic API key. Paste. Perfect. Now let's go into the preview and let's run it. There we go. We just build our web app, and let's do a test run. Let's see if it actually works. And deployed it to Replit. Gonna make this an AI chatbot. 5 to 10K. 1 month. Let's put it in the description. Generating proposal. And I'm on the free version of Replit, and I was still able to publish it because I did it through Claude Code and VS Studio Code. There we go. Everything works. We just built a real AI powered web app in a matter of 20 minutes. I said 30, but we did it even less. Very doable. Everything's amazing. This is a real site that I will pay money and people will pay money for you to make. The things you can do is amazing, and I'm gonna make more videos like this. I hope you guys like and subscribe. I am Joe. This is Replace with Claude. See you on the next one.